Hey guys, welcome to my channel. On today, I'm Sandra Burnett. If this is your first time joining my channel, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an oil that is going to leave your hair strong, healthy, and growing. Guys, do you want healthy, beautiful hair? Well, guys, listen, you need to watch this video all the way through. And not only that, I'm going to make one extra product that is going to help work with the oil that we will be making, leaving your hair even stronger, healthier, moisturized, and growing. You see, guys, I believe, as you can see from my hair, that I can get your hair growing healthy and strong. So come on. Let's grow hair together. Now guys, remember to subscribe, click that notification button, give me a thumbs up, and let's get busy. Okay guys, so these are the oils that we will be using on today. We have some great oils for hair growth. Guys, I chose some of the best oils for our hair. And along with some great oil, I chose some great powder and herbs for our hair, guys. So let's get into this video on today. We're going to start off with our oils on today. Our first oil is olive oil. People have used olive oil for hair care for thousands of years. It adds shine, body, and softness to the hair. It also promotes a healthy scalp and fight infection. Next, we're going to add in avocado oil. It's one of a few oils that can actually penetrate the hair shafts and moisturize your hair. It's also a lighter oil, so it doesn't weigh down the hair or clog the pores. It also strengthens the hair and also help with breakage. Guys, next we're going to add in castor oil. Castor oil helps lubricate the hair shaft, increasing flexibility and decreasing the chance of breakage. Castor oil may benefit those that experience like dandruff or dryness. It also keeps the hair and scalp healthy. Okay guys, so let's move to our powder and herbs. First, we're going to add in moringa. Moringa is one of my favorite. It helps moisturize your hair, keeps off dandruff. It also restores strength, repairs damaged hair, and it is good for hair fall. Okay guys, fenugreek, you know it is my favorite. It is a powerhouse powder, guys. Fenugreek helps with dandruff treatment. Also, it reduces hair loss, strengthens the hair, promotes hair growth. Also, it boosts shine for the hair. It's an anti-inflammatory property. It is a great powder. I love fenugreek. Well guys, I guess you know by now the products that I'm using so far promotes hair growth. Alma powder is definitely another powder that promotes healthy hair growth. It also minimizes gray. It boosts volume for our hair. It also reduces dandruff and it conditions your scalp. Now, Bremy powder is known to promote hair growth. I was in the store one day and I was asking, do you have any powders for hair growth? And the first thing she said was Bremy powder. It promotes healthy hair. It also strengthens the hair and repairs damaged hair follicles. It prevents hair loss and also reduces dandruff. So we're going to stir all of these ingredients together really good right now. Okay so now we're going to take all of our ingredients and we're going to put it over into our mason jar. As you can see, I have a wig cap around the mason jar. And guys, also at the bottom of this little saucer pan where there's all that powder is, I want to give you a healthy hair tip. You can take that powder and oil mix and put it into your deep conditioner or also your shampoo. It is filled with minerals for healthy growing hair. So we're going to go ahead and squeeze the excess oil out of the wig cap. Next, we're going to add in horsetail herb. Guys, this is a great herb for our hair. It stimulates hair growth. It also rejuvenates the hair, adding shine to the appearance of the hair. It also strengthens the hair shaft. It also contains Stannemia, which is known to promote healthy hair growth. And guys, check this out. This herb improves hair growth speed, so your hair will grow even faster. Now guys, rosemary is another great herb. It promotes hair growth. It helps to nourish the hair follicles, also soothes an inflamed scalp, and add shine to our hair. So we're going to add in just a little more avocado to our oil mix. Okay guys, this is my personal fenugreek oil. We're going to add some of that into our mix, and if you're interested in ordering it, down below is my website. So we're going to add in Oregon oil. This is a great oil that promotes hair growth. It helps your hair to grow thick and healthy. Finally guys, we're going to add in our last two oils. Vitamin E. It helps with dry, flaky scalp. It encourages hair growth, prevents hair loss, and enhancing hair strength. Now we're going to add in our lemongrass. Now, not only does lemongrass smell good, ladies, but when applied to the scalp, it helps your hair remain clean and fresh between shampoos. It also prevents hair shedding with regular use. So we're going to go ahead and stir everything up really good. And so guys, what we're going to do is we're going to put our top on our oil and we're going to store it away for about 24 hours. Okay guys, so now we're going to make our bonus hair product. We're going to make actually a herb tea rinse for our hair that is very moisturizing. So guys, first of all, we're going to add in a cup of boiling hot water. Next, we're going to add in horsetail. And next, we're going to add in rosemary. Okay, guys, so we're going to stir it all up. Add in a little lemongrass. And finally, vitamin E. So we're going to let it sit overnight. Okay guys, so it is the next day and our oil has marinated overnight. So as you can see, I have the mason jar with another stocking cap on top of it. And what we're going to do is pour our oil over into the mason jar. We're going to drain it one more time. And so we're going to move it over into our plastic bottle. And guys, there you have it. Moisturizing herb oil for fast growing hair. Okay guys, so we are at our final step. We are going to take our rinse and we're going to drain it into our funnel. Okay guys, so there you have it. We have our hair oil and we have our hair rinse. Now guys, stay with me and I'm going to quickly show you how to moisturize your hair. I'm just going to take a couple sections of my hair to show you how to properly moisturize your hair. And this moisturizing oil and this spray mixed together is going to leave your hair moisturized for a few days. I promise you that if you apply it correctly. Guys, if you're wondering how I got this cute little hairdo, well, on Sunday I washed my hair. I did a clay wash first, then I moisturized my hair with a moisturizing shampoo. I followed up with a deep conditioner. After that, I put in a leave-in conditioner, and then I added oil on top of the leave-in conditioner, and I twisted my hair up and I got this hairdo. Now guys, this is not from any type of setting lotion or anything like that. This is all just from my wash day. Now guys, I'm just going to show you really quickly how I moisturize my hair. Now I'm just going to first of all add the rinse that I made in my hair. You don't need much, just gonna moisturize your hair. Now I like to squeeze it in. Okay. Guys, tell me if you guys would like to do a challenge with me. I'm thinking of doing a, I don't know what to call it right now, but leaving your hair alone kind of challenge for like maybe a month to see how much hair growth we can get in a month, because your hair will grow and you will start seeing results if you learn to leave your hair alone. So I thought, why don't I ask some of the ladies if they would like to do this hair challenge with me, that we leave our hair alone. We just braid it up and we leave it alone. Of course, we're going to wash our hair every single week, but we will wash our hair in braids. And then we're going to condition it in braids, rinse it out, and leave it alone. And so if you're interested in being a part of that hair challenge with me, then let me know. Because I'm thinking about doing this, but I need enough of ladies that's saying, yes, I want to do it with you. And so you see that I'm twisting my hair back up. And this is, it's moisturized. And so ladies, just take the two products, try them, and see how your hair gonna like it. It's going to leave your hair strong, healthy, growing as you continually using these products. Okay, so I'm gonna just take one from this side. And I want you guys to tell me how you've been liking my videos and share it with someone else, and remember to subscribe. Tell me also what type of videos you would like to see me do. Guys, my hair is just growing, 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 growing. Put a little oil in it. Just a little bit. Get those ends really good. You notice, guys, I don't put oil on my scalp. And my hair just do fine. Maybe your scalp may need oil, but mine doesn't. So I just put it on my hair, and my hair loves it and is doing just fine with it. So you can see I'm twisting it back out. And guys, did you know what? This twist out, I will wear it to church on Sunday, because this oil alone and this leave-in alone is enough to give my hair the shine, and it will give it the bounce that I like for my hair. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Just beautiful. You just twirl it at the end, ladies. So guys, I want to thank you so much for joining me on today. I want you to remember to subscribe, click that notification button, give me a thumbs up. Bye guys.